Hey folks, Practical Prepper 001 here. Behind me you see my bike. I'm getting ready to pack it, and tomorrow morning I'm heading out to Kentucky, about 1100 miles from here where I am right now. And I want to share some of that with you and take some videos and pictures along the way. Just so you get an idea how big Montana is compared to my bike. The bike weighs about 900 pounds and the dog weighs about close to 200 pounds probably. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Here we are, it's 8:05 a.m. Thursday. This is my first stop, just to stretch my legs. It's a nice rest area. Okay, it's about noon right now, and I'm taking a break about 10 miles south of Ocala, so doing good time. No hurry. It's a beautiful day out there. Making this kind of like a mini vacation. Well, here I am again on I-75. I'm about 20 miles from Tifton in Georgia. Been on the road since 7 a.m. this morning. It's been a great ride, except in Lake City I got some light sprinkles. Looked like it was gonna get real nasty, but it just went away, and as you can see, the weather turned great over here. So just gonna take a little break now and continue rolling, probably all the way to Atlanta, which is about 3 hours from here. See, my original plan was to ride all the way over here and more or less, be around I figure 10 o'clock or maybe even midnight and just legally you're allowed to rest for 4 hours in a rest area. And I was gonna try it, either 4 to 6 hours if I could get away with it. And I have my sleeping pad, my sleeping bags too. And I was just gonna hide somewhere around here and behind the bench or something, and just go to sleep. Ain't no sense paying $60-$70 for a motel room and just to go to sleep. So, but that's the situation. So you gotta improvise, and you gotta have a little bit of extra money because it came in handy. So. It's beautiful right here. I was planning on riding all the way here to this rest area. This is exit 306, I believe, more or less, in Georgia, I-75. And the thing is, with the bike, this is about 680 miles of riding on a motorcycle. It's not like a car. And last night I drove through Atlanta, and that's something I don't think I'll ever do again, at night with a heavy motorcycle like mine. The traffic was hectic. The visibility was very low, and quite frankly very, very, very dangerous. So it's not gonna happen again. Instead, I stopped in Marietta. That's about 10-15 miles north of Atlanta, and I bargained for a room from 58 and tax to $40 even. I told the guy the truth. I go, look, man, I've been riding since 7 a.m. this morning, and it was about 10 o'clock at night, and I just need a room to sleep. I'll be out of here by 6 in the morning. So the guy took it into consideration, and he lowered the price to 40, so that was good. Another thing, last night when I was at the TA truck stop, I was just killing some time sitting around, and I got approached by a couple, a man and a woman, and they needed a ride and all that, and I tell them, hey man, look, I got a motorcycle, and why are you even talking to me for? And the guys, is giving me a song and a dance about, he got into a fight with his boss and all that, and I just plainly I told them, look, fuck off. Whatever scam you got, take it somewhere else. If not, we're gonna dance right here, right now. So they just kind of gave me like a hard look, and I don't give a shit the look they give me, and they just walked away. See, when you're on the road, compassion or whatever, it's got to take a second place to your own safety. And it's obvious I got a motorcycle and they need to ride up north and all that, and come on, get out of here. Go pull that bullshit on somebody else. If you're gonna rob me, go right ahead. If not, you're gonna get hurt. That's the way I look at it. But that's one of the things on the road you got to be aware of. Always, safety first. And even so, it's not a guarantee. So, like I said, I rented a room because of that, because it was crazy. I couldn't see anything. I was just like, I felt like a racehorse, with the blinders on the side, just looking forward. And I just got behind trucks and rode on through. But oh man. Well, this morning I woke up. The weather's a little chilly, but it's good. It's beautiful. It's gonna be all sunny. It should take me about another 6 hours before I get to Kentucky. The bike has been great. I've been cruising at 75, 80 most of the trip, and Even so, sometimes, some areas, like I said, last night in Atlanta, Atlanta, I think it's like 55, 60. Nobody was going slower than 75. I was going 65, and they were like, Jesus. So, for a ride, a bike like mine, big and heavy is great. But for shit hit the fan, or something with a survival mentality, you want something light. You don't want nothing this heavy. Because see, like right here too, you also have you can see this car coming. It's a big ramp, and you have that all over the place. Sometimes you park somewhere and you're in a slope, and if you're going uphill and you gotta stop because you got a car in front of you or something, which it happened today a couple of times, it could be a little scary on the bike. See, because the thing about the bike is too, Harleys they're not top heavy, but since I got it loaded up, it's like, so when you like slow down or you want to do like very slow maneuvers, kind of wobble, so it's no fun. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this and talk a little bit about what's been going on. Another thing is, I got a mount on the bike, so I can mount the camera, but with the vibration, the picture quality is just shit. So I'm gonna see if I can take some footage, or just like I did now, pull over this on the side of the road, or rest areas all over the place, something nice, and I can take some pictures and videos and all that, so for you guys to see. So later. Okay, here we are in what's gotta be one of the most beautiful rest areas I've been to. It's in Chattanooga, just about 9-10 miles. It's gorgeous here. Behind me you see a lake. It's got all kinds of picnics and benches, and it's beautiful.